This video demonstrates how to configure the robot's collision level. Open the menu bar, Initial, Base, Joints, then click Collision Level to access the collision level interface. Collision levels are categorized into standard grade and custom percentage, and collision levels must be appropriately matched with speed. The standard grades for each axis correspond to different collision torques at each level. Custom percentages can be set from 1 to 100. Click Apply to complete the settings. Collision policies define how robots handle collisions, allowing users to configure settings based on specific operational requirements. Collision policy options include error pause, keep moving, error stop, gravitational moment mode, vibration response mode, and collision rebound mode. First, display error pause. The robot enters a pause state after a collision alarm. Next, demonstrating keep moving. The robot continues moving after the collision alarm. Subsequently, the error stop function is demonstrated, where the robot enters a stop state upon collision detection. Next, we will demonstrate the moment of gravitational moment mode, vibration response mode, and collision rebound mode. When triggered, all three modes will switch to drag mode, then subsequently switch to manual mode. During robot operation, this strategy is not recommended when load mass varies significantly or when operating at excessive speeds. First, demonstrate the gravitational moment mode. This mode propels the object away from the collision point, based on the magnitude and direction of the collision force. Vibration response mode will first move away from the collision point after an initial impact, then return to the collision location. Finally, demonstrate the collision rebound mode, where the robot triggers an alarm upon collision. The collision rebound mode accelerates away from the collision point based on the configured parameters. The safety time, safety distance, safety speed, and safety factor for each joint are all adjustable. The default settings are safety time 1000 milliseconds, safety distance 150 millimeters, safety speed 150 millimeters per second. The safety factor range for each joint is 1 to 10. The higher the value, the shorter the rebound distance and the greater the safety. That concludes the information on collision level settings for FAIRINO robots. Thank you for watching.